Working with people who have any type of difficulty is really important for me. Actually, they are making as much difference in my life than I am in their lives. My name is Marie, and I am from Granby, Quebec, Canada. I became an amputee actually when I was 10 days old because of medical complications when I was born, because I was born premature. So I learned all of the activities, like right from the beginning, to do with prosthetics. I am an occupational therapist. I own my own practice. I work with adults who have depression or anxiety, and I help them to be able to return to work. I also work with kids who have any type of functional difficulty. So it's a part of my job where it's more physical, but it's also more dynamic. I have to be able to work in a kneeling position, and then I have to be able to stand up quickly, and I have to be able to show the kids how to hop, how to do specific movements. It has to be a natural movement, or else the child will not understand how to make it himself. The prosthetic knee is making it so much easier for me in my work and at home too. I'm such in a moment in my life where everything is going well. It could just continue like this. It would be amazing.
I hope you like the educational videos from Best Care Forum. Please, if you have any suggestion, if you have any question, write your comment under the same video or contact us with 00971 50911 0216. My name is Ismail Nouri. I will answer you 24 hours, 7 days a week. And email to us with the same email you can see on the display right now. Thank you for your trust. Thank you for using these educational videos to be able to provide better services to your community and to your patients. God bless you all, stay healthy, and see you soon.